Grand Rising Royal Family. It's Lay of Natural Lay. I just wanted to come on here this rising to say happy first of the month, happy July, happy almost new moon in Cancer tomorrow. But I was about to make some walnut milk and wanted to show this mini process. So this video is going to be one of many little short tidbits. We are getting Natural Lay Cafe up and running, so I think in the mornings I'll try to show what I can. So before we get into that, I just want to show you that we do have our walnut milk ingredients right here. We are steeping our lovely morning tea. We have mullein, burdock, stinging nettle, ginger, basil, and rose petal. So that's going to be our tea this morning. Hello there, thank you for joining. How are you, VJ Crumpton _88? We are also sterilizing some jars. We're going to be making some new elixirs today, as well as some new Goddess body sprays. And what else? We have our chickpeas soaking over here. I believe we'll use half for a soup and half for possibly hummus. So I mean, we're doing some things this morning. Hi, sweetheart. Glad to have you here. Thank you for tuning in. I'm now about to show a really quick process of how to make walnut milk. If you are on this alkaline vegan journey, you know that dairy milk is not good for the body. Neither are other milks such as like the almond milks and etc. etc. So Baba Sebi has taught us to make our own milk with walnuts, and I will show you that right now. It's very, very quick and simple. So what you're going to need is 1 cup of walnuts. So depending on how much you want to make, you'll adjust this the ratios. I just like to start with a cup at a time just to monitor myself. So we will start with 1 cup of walnuts, and I have shelled walnuts right here, almost gone. Whoops. But yeah, and this was a 2-pound bag, so we went through that pretty nicely. So we'll start with 1 cup, and we have our. Can you see the blender? Probably not. Let's come this way, yeah? Okay. So yes, we'll add in our 1 cup of walnuts. 1 cup of water. Make sure it's spring water. How are you feeling today? How are you? What are you up to, madam? Got our 1 cup of water. And 3 ounces of agave. We have organic blue agave. 3 ounces. Perfect. We have our 3 ounces. We're going to put that in there as well for our sweetener. If you don't want your milk sweetened, you can definitely bypass this step. If you want like an original or a plain flavor for like cooking or anything else.